Okay, so what Ruth says is really good. Technology, they can talk about technology and they can talk about some other topics. And pronunciation is important. Remember the projection of your voice, as I told you before. And people, it is important that you take notes because the examiner is going to tell you, okay, you have 1 minute to prepare something. So it is good for you like to have notes there, something to be written. Okay, guys, what can you tell me about the video in the part where the guy is trying to answer the question and his phone rings? His phone rings, his cell phone rings. Janice, Fernando, or somebody who saw the video, there is a part where the examiner is asking Tim a question. And Tim began to answer, and suddenly he receives a phone call. So what would be the recommendation for Tim? Excellent, Fernando. Excellent, Fernando. That happened. When his phone rang, the examiner immediately took notes and he lost the idea of what he was saying, and besides, the examiner couldn't listen to the voice. And he couldn't listen what the answer was. So students, when you're taking these classes and when you're taking exams, remember to turn your cell phones off because that might be a distractor and you can fail points during the exam. Okay, good. Janice, what can you tell me about the video? The second. How much time do you have to talk? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Don't worry. Janice, can you please turn your camera? Everybody, can you please turn your cameras on again? Thank you, Janice. Don't worry, Janice. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The examiner. Don't worry, Janice. Breathe. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous because then you're going to forget ideas. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, Janice, very good information. Thank you very much. By the way, happy Men's Day. Fernando and Javier. Yes? Receive a lot of hugs, a lot of kisses, a lot of presents, chocolates, and everything. Okay, Fernando, how much did you get in the quiz? How much did you get in the quiz? How much did you get in the quiz? 6 out of 10. Janice, how much did you get in the quiz? 4 out of 10? Okay, 4 out of 10. Okay. Good, guys. Now we are going to go to the second part of this encounter. We are going to read some conversations. I'm going to share my screen. Oh, you guys, it is really hot. Where are you, Yanis? Where are you? Where do you live? Is it hot in Medellin? Okay, Fernando, is it hot in Armenia? It's cool. And Gonzalo? Okay, people, congratulations. You did it very well, yes? Ruth, you read very well. Congratulations. Okay, people, pronunciation of this word. Look. Doing. Yes, not doing, but doing. So what is this word? Doing. Okay, and this question is, this word is question. Question. Is it clear? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Ruth, listen, question. Question. Okay, Ruth? Well, now, my dear students, we are going to move on to the third part of this class, that is Kai Part 3. So in this Kai Part 3, students, we are going to see a set of questions about decisions you have to make in life. Okay, students, the internet is really slow. Can you please wait for a second? Ah, yes, students is taking forever. Ok. ¿Por qué no te veo? Hello? No, I don't see. No. Okay, Ruth, can you please begin with your answer? Strange. No la veo. Okay, Ruth, can you please give us your answer? Espérate que I don't see you, I can't see you. Okay, Ruth, ready? Okay, Ruth, begin, please.